Did you know that Starlink's internet service has latencies ranging from over 40 milliseconds to 82 milliseconds, and Elon Musk plans to reduce Starlink's internet latency to 20 milliseconds? Many Starlink users benefit from quicker download rates and lower latency. However, eliminating the lag in Starlink internet is still an issue. In this video, we will be giving you a few beginner's tips to make Starlink internet faster. Now, isn't that interesting? To start with, Elon Musk wants to build a strong Starlink internet everyone can enjoy. So he has stated, more ground stations and less foolish packet routing will make the biggest differences. Starlink's internet review shows that Elon Musk hopes to lower latencies to under 20 milliseconds. Latency is simply the time it takes for a data packet to get from one location to another. However, before this is achieved, you may experience substantial lag when using your Starlink internet, depending on the location of Starlink ground stations. In that situation, there are other things you can do for yourself to get a good Starlink speed test result. Diving in if your Starlink internet is misbehaving. Step outside and examine your Starlink satellite dishy and cables for any damage. It would help to inspect cracks or other damage. Make sure your wires aren't loose where they link to your dish. Clear any trash, grime, or snow from your Starlink satellite dish while you're at it. This includes leaf piles, broken branches, and any tuck in your container. If you believe your dishy is improperly positioned, contact your satellite internet provider and request that it be repositioned. If you've placed your dishy well, your job is not done. It's time to get inside and check your router. We have a few tips about your Starlink router, so stay tuned. Again, Starlink's internet speed, dependability, and latency will improve dramatically when 12,000 satellites are launched into space. An ideal option for a fast, uninterrupted internet is using Speedify to combine your Starlink internet. Speedify employs channel bonding technology. You can also utilize Speedify without a secondary connection if you have a Starlink internet. It can combine the Starlink internet and backup connections into a super pipe. When one of the component connections breaks, the session will continue. This isn't the same as switching between connections. It's a lot more. Suppose your Starlink internet goes down or becomes slower. In that case, Speedify can automatically redirect some or all of your traffic to your secondary backup connection, ensuring that you get the optimum speed and stay connected. Streaming activities are automatically recognized by Speedify and given priority over other types of traffic. Because Speedify features robust error correction algorithms, your Starlink internet will be optimized by lowering the packet loss rate. Speedify's strong encryption will protect all of your traffic like a bonded VPN. This will keep hackers and cyber thieves out of your personal information and sensitive data on the internet. The cyber world is still a fast-moving world for many people to keep up with. We have a website for you to visit which can help you keep track of your Starlink internet and location. We will share this website with you shortly, so stay tuned. In addition, it's time to go back inside now that you've inspected your satellite dishy. It's time to examine your router to see if you can improve your internet speeds by optimizing your internet equipment. Although Starlink includes a router, it may not provide the coverage or settings that many consumers have learned to expect from their routers. While Starlink's internet covers a large area, your connection is limited to the range of your router. If you have a large house or one composed of dense materials like brick or concrete, you may need a more robust router to get the most out of your internet connection. Furthermore, a Wi-Fi 6 router is a fantastic upgrade for indoor coverage. If you want a network that can scale to meet your needs, one of the top Wi-Fi 6 mesh systems is good. Having a mesh Wi-Fi system that spans most of your house might be beneficial, especially as our lives become more reliant on smart devices. Thumbs up if you agree to having a robust router to extend the range of your Starlink internet. Moreover, you might want to visit Starlink.sx to understand better what is happening with your Starlink internet connection. Starlink.sx gives you a general idea about the direction of where the Starlink satellite is moving to and from, and you get to see this in real time. There's a green dot to your location, so you can put the green dot wherever you are. You will see yellow dots, which are your ground station. You will see 8 purple triangles, POPs, or network operating centers. They are the backbones. Finally, you'll see one green triangle, which is the one associated with your IP address. You need to know where that green triangle is in proximity to you. So if you are in a different location than your green triangle, you might not get a good internet connection. Jay Christina, a YouTuber, claimed that he sent an email to Starlink after discovering Starlink.sx. He wrote, "I am thinking that an issue with speed and latency is maybe because of the fact that the POP I am connected to is in Virginia, 1,018 miles away from my location in South Florida. There's a POP in Miami which is only 80 miles from me. Wouldn't it make more sense to route through the 80 miles POP from me rather than the 1,018 miles POP away?" And guess what? He said the next time he did a Starlink speed test, he saw that his internet speed test had drastically improved. And when he visited Starlink, SX, the POP to his IP address, was connected to the POP in Miami. Suppose the green triangle with your IP is not connected to the nearest Starlink POP around you. In that case, you can send an email to Starlink, and just like Jay Christina, you might have your IP changed to the nearest Starlink gateway around you, giving you a strong internet connection. Elon Musk's dream of distributing internet connections from space is still young, but has gradually gained enough interest from individuals. We hope you found this video educational. If you did, share this video with friends interested in Starlink Internet. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the following video.